Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons and today I'm going to be talking about one thing I really want to learn in 2018. So that one thing is, let's write this down, Facebook ads. So the one thing I really want to get to grips with is Facebook ads. I've never run a single ad before, but yet I hear about how amazing they are. So I know that that is going to be the tool that's going to take my business in every single aspect of my income sources. Facebook ads are going to take that to the next level. So from the videos I've watched about Facebook ads, it is just such a powerful tool. Your reach is just crazy. Like, you can target your audiences, you can get your product or get your free ebook or get whatever you are trying to promote seen by the people you want it to be seen by, which seems ridiculous, and it is also very affordable at the moment to run ads. So 3 of the things that when I learn Facebook ads I'll be able to use it instantly for is affiliate marketing, because obviously if you've got an offer to promote for, let's say, a course. So I'm in Johnny Bradley's course and he has an affiliate program. So if you want to make Amazon FBA your living and you want to learn that by clicking the link in my description to go and take Johnny Bradley's course on it, then I'll get a commission for that. So using Facebook ads, you can actually expand your reach, tell people about the offer or whatever it is. Maybe you can use Facebook ads to promote a free ebook on what the course goes into more detail about, and then you can upsell from the free ebook by capturing their email and then marketing a course offer. So next is FB, and that is my freelance business. So I'm a freelance brand identity designer. So by using Facebook ads, I can actually target business owners to my services. So I haven't created a strategy for this yet, but I know that it's possible because social media marketers do it to promote their own agency. So I know I can do it for my freelance business. And if you are ever in need of like a logo, a brand identity system, collateral around the brand identity, then please feel free to leave me a message. I will sort that out for you. Next is Amazon FBA. I can definitely use Facebook ads if I learn them for Amazon FBA, free offers or discounts for whatever product I go into, and then I can upsell them to buying even more things from my store if I do more products, or even just repeat buying the product, and that can lead to more sales and a more successful FBA product. So I want to learn Facebook ads, but where am I going to learn it? In Iman Gadzhi's Influencer Ignited course, I have heard and I've seen results that the Facebook ads he teaches, they have great results and he shows good strategy. So when I do invest in that personal branding course, and it probably will be after I've started getting return from my Amazon FBA business, I will invest in Influencer Ignited and learn Facebook ads there. But as well as that, I've got Johnny Bradley's affiliate marketing ebook, and there's also a section in there about Facebook ads to grow your personal brand. So I need to put that into action. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a comment. What is the one thing you want to learn in 2018? And where are you going to learn it and how? And are you going to invest in a course? It'd be great to have a chat with you guys. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this, and on FBA, lifestyle, career, so much more. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video.